Learn English easily with simple, real-life conversations.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Talk English Now. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Thanks for joining us today.
Today, we're going to talk about something we both love, eating at restaurants. Whether it's a fancy dinner or a quick lunch, eating out is something everyone does.
That's right, but I have to say, Emma and I are pretty different when it comes to restaurants.
Yes, I love trying new places and different kinds of food. James, not so much.
Hey, I just like what I like. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, you're right. So let's talk about it. Let's get started. So, James, when was the last time you went to a restaurant?
Actually, just last weekend, my sister invited me out for her birthday. We went to this Italian place near her apartment.
Oh, nice. Italian is great. Did you try anything new?
No, I ordered what I always order at Italian restaurants, spaghetti with meatballs.
Of course you did. Why am I not surprised?
What? It's delicious. And I know I'll like it. When I go to a new restaurant, I don't want to waste money on something I might not enjoy.
But that's half the fun, trying something different. Last month, I went to this amazing Ethiopian restaurant. I'd never had Ethiopian food before.
And did you like it?
I loved it. They serve everything on this big flat bread called injera, and you eat with your hands. It was such a cool experience.
That does sound interesting, but I still think I'd be nervous to order something I've never heard of.
I get that, but you know what helps? Asking the waiter for recommendations. They usually know what's good.
That's true. Actually, at my sister's birthday dinner, the waiter did recommend this special pasta dish, but I still got the spaghetti.
James, you're impossible.
What about you? Do you ever order the same thing twice?
Rarely. Maybe if I really loved something. But usually, I want to try as many dishes as possible. That's why I love going to restaurants with other people. We can order different things and share.
Oh, I'm the opposite. I don't like sharing food. I want my own plate.
Really? But what if someone at your table orders something amazing?
Then I'll remember it for next time. I'll think, okay, that looks good. Maybe I'll try it next time.
But next time, you'll probably just order spaghetti again.
Probably. But seriously, I think there's something nice about having a favorite dish. When I go to my regular coffee shop, they know I always get the same sandwich. It feels comfortable.
That's fair. I can understand that. Being a regular somewhere is nice. The staff remembers you, you know what to expect. It's like a little routine.
Exactly. Do you have a regular place?
Well, there's this Thai restaurant near my apartment that I go to a lot. But even there, I tried different dishes every time. Last week, I had the green curry. This week, I'm thinking about the pad thai.
See, if I liked the green curry, I'd just keep getting that.
We're so different. What about the whole experience of going out to eat? Do you like fancy restaurants or casual places?
Definitely casual. I feel awkward in fancy restaurants. All those forks and spoons, I never know which one to use.
It's usually from the outside in. You start with the outermost fork and work your way toward your plate.
See, there are rules. I don't like rules when I'm eating. I just want to relax and enjoy my food.
I get that, but I actually enjoy the fancy restaurant experience sometimes. Getting dressed up, having multiple courses, taking your time, it feels special.
Multiple courses? That sounds like so much food.
Well, each course is small. You might have an appetizer, then soup, then the main course, and then dessert. It's spread out over a couple of hours.
A couple of hours? I can eat my spaghetti in 20 minutes.
I know, but that's the point. It's not just about eating, it's about the whole experience. The conversation, the atmosphere, the presentation of the food.
Okay, I'll admit, when food looks really pretty on the plate, that is nice. Even I appreciate that.
Right? Some restaurants make the food look like art.
But then the portions are tiny. Have you noticed that? The fancier the restaurant, the smaller the portions.
That's not always true, but yes, sometimes. Although if you're having multiple courses, you don't need huge portions.
I guess, but I like leaving a restaurant feeling full. At casual places, the portions are usually bigger.
That's true, and they're usually cheaper too.
Exactly. I'd rather spend less money and get more food. That makes sense to me.
But what about special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries?
Okay. For special occasions, I'll go to a nicer restaurant, but I still feel more comfortable at casual places. What about you? Do you ever just want a simple burger or something?
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes I just want comfort food. But even then, I might try a new burger place instead of going to the same one.
Of course you would. Speaking of trying new things, have you ever had a really bad experience? Like ordered something and hated it?
Oh, yes. Once I ordered this fish dish, and when it arrived, it still had the head on it. The fish was looking at me.
What did you do?
I tried it, but I couldn't finish it. It was too weird for me. And another time, I ordered something that was way too spicy. My mouth was on fire.
See, that's why I stick with what I know. No surprises.
But even though I had a few bad experiences, I've had so many more good ones. I've discovered so many amazing dishes that I never would have tried if I just ordered the same thing every time.
That's fair. Maybe I'm missing out a little bit.
Maybe just a little. But you know what? I think both approaches are okay. There's no wrong way to enjoy eating at restaurants.
I agree. Some people like adventure, some people like comfort. Both are good.
Exactly. And that's what makes eating out interesting. Everyone has their own style.
One last question. Do you ever look at reviews before you go to a restaurant?
Always. I check reviews online, look at photos of the food, read what people say. I do my research.
I never do that. I just pick a place and go.
Really? You don't even check if it has good ratings?
Nope. If it looks okay from the outside, I'll try it. But usually I just go to places I've been before anyway, so.
Of course. Classic James.
Hey, at least I'm consistent.
Well, I think that's all we have time for today. Thanks so much for listening to Real Talk English Now.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation about eating at restaurants. Whether you're like Emma and love trying new things, or like me and prefer the familiar, there's a restaurant out there for everyone.
Exactly. And remember, the best way to practice your English is to keep listening and keep learning. We'll be back next week with another conversation.
Until then, happy eating and happy learning.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.